Hi guys, so today we are going to see the difference between contour and bronzer. So whatever we have learned theoretically till now, we'll see practically how to implement it. So let's start guys. And if you're watching me for the first time, then I am Pratibha and welcome to my channel where we learn about makeup and hairstyle every Tuesday and Friday. So with this note, let's start with today's video. So I've just cleansed my face and I'm just applying moisturizer. So for moisturizer, I'm applying Aveeno moisturizer. Face is very dry. I have to apply thick moisturizer. So after cleansing your skin, if you have oily skin, you have to tone your skin. You have to apply a toner. For toner, you can apply rose water and then you have to apply a moisturizer. So as I have dry skin, I don't apply any toner because it's not needed for dry skin. If you have oily skin, combination skin, you can definitely apply rose water as a toner. Now after applying moisturizer, the next step is to apply primer. For primer, I'm applying this MAC Prep Prime Oil Stick. So as I have dry skin, and so this will act as a primer and it is very hydrating as it is an oil stick. So you just have to rub it on your skin. So it will be hydrating and it will give that nice glow to my face and nice hydration. So if you have dry skin, you can definitely try this product guys. It's amazing. So once you apply primer, the next step is to correct your face. But today I am not doing much correction. I'm just applying directly foundation because I want a very natural makeup today. Whatever dark circles and patches I have, so my foundation will be able to cover it, so no problem. So if you have light dark circles and patches, you can directly apply a foundation, even that works guys. But if you have intense dark circles, in that case you have to apply a corrector. How to apply corrector, which corrector to use, I have explained everything in this video guys. You can watch this video for details. So today I'm going to apply this Maybelline Dewy foundation. So if you have oily skin, you have to go with a matte foundation. If you have dry skin, you have to go with a dewy foundation because matte will be very drying for dry skin. So my shade is 310 Sun Beige in Maybelline. So I'm just applying it all over my face. So oily skin, combination skin can go with a matte foundation. So guys, my foundation is set now and I have also filled my eyebrows. Now next what we have to do is, last week's video I showed you how to do cream contour. Today I'll be showing you how to do powder contour. So we'll be seeing the difference contour and bronzer, everything. But before applying powder, I have to apply all the liquid products on my face so that I can set it with powder, and then finally we can apply the powder, contour and bronzer and everything. So for applying liquid, I have applied foundation. Now I'll be applying concealer to highlight all the center of my face. Using this LA Girl concealer in shade Pure Beige, and I'm also mixing little bit of yellow corrector with it so that it will just brighten up my face, as I have not done any correction today on my face. So just a drop of yellow will help me. LA Pro Girl concealer in shade Pure Beige, and I'm mixing little bit of yellow corrector with it because I have not used any correction today. So this yellow will help to brighten up my face little bit. So guys, now you know how to apply concealer, where you have to apply concealer. You have to always apply concealer on the center of your face. So on your under eyes, then the bridge of your nose, your upper lips and your chin. So everything is done. For contouring, I'm applying this Wet n Wild contour in shade Oaks on You. So this shade is like very much like a bronzer guys, because like a warm undertone to it. So I can use it as a bronzer. So I'm applying it where I apply my contour. So we'll be contouring my face today with this only. So it will also act as a contour guys, and it will also act as a bronzer. I'll be blending this first and then we will be blending our concealer. So guys, now you know how to apply contour, how to blend it. If you have not seen my last video, I've explained everything in that video, so you can see that video. If you don't want to apply anything cream, even that is okay. Even powder contour will work. I'll show you today how to use powder contour also. But guys, I love cream contour. So I always do little bit of cream contour because it adds that nice depth to your face. As we have done contouring, we have applied concealer on our face. So everything, all the liquid products, whatever I had to apply, I applied it. Now I'll be setting it with the powder. So for powder, I'm using this MAC powder in shade medium. It's MAC Perfecting powder in shade medium. So guys, now I want to tell you how to do powder contour. If you want to do only powder contour, then what you have to do, so this is my MAC palette. If you can see, there are like 3 shades in this. In my theory lecture, I have explained you everything, which is the warm contour, which is like, you know, cool contour, everything which is for light skin, dark skin, medium skin, everything is explained to you. So this is for medium skin, this is for light to medium skin tone, guys, and this is for dark skin tone, this is for medium deep skin tone. So as I have medium to medium deep skin tone, what I'll be doing, I'll be using this contour and this contour. I'll mix it. So I'm taking my angle brush, so I'm taking these both, and wherever we apply contour, like below our cheeks, so there I'll be applying this contour. So if you can see, it has added a nice depth now. So contour will just create shadows on your face, the natural shadows. So now that we have finished with our contour, what we'll do next is, now I'll show you how to apply bronzer. So contour we have to apply always on the low points of her face, like below the cheekbones, on her forehead, below this jawline. So here we, and the edges of her nose. So these are the places where we contour. Now for applying bronzer, we have to apply on the high points of her face, above our contour. Okay, above our contour, we will be applying bronzer now. And here, wherever the sun reflects, that places are the places where we have to apply bronzer, because it gives a nice reflection, nice glow to our face. I'm using this Natasha Denona bronzer. So if you see the shade, so it has a nice warm undertone to it. So bronzer always has a warm undertone, guys. So I'm taking this blush brush, and what I'm going to do is, wherever I've applied now this contour, on top of that I'm going to apply bronzer. So wherever you apply blush, that is the place where you have to apply contour. Now if you want to apply blush also, then on top of this you can apply a little bit of blush, but I'll be applying only bronzer today because I don't want you guys to get confused. So I'm just taking this and I'll be applying here. So you can see it has added a nice warmth to my face. And what you have to do is, if you're confused, just keep a finger here where you have applied contour, and top of this you have to just apply this bronzer, and just do like this strokes. Okay, just go straight up like this to the temple of your cheeks. So where is the temple of your cheeks? This is the temple of your cheeks. Just take more and then just apply it to the temple of your cheeks. So this is the place where the sun reflects. So here you have to apply the bronzer. So when the sun reflects, it looks very nice, bronzy, tanned look, and very glowy. It's a matte bronzer. It doesn't has like much shimmer to it, but you can also use like shimmer bronzers. They are also good. Where the placement should be, guys, wherever your eye pupil is, just look straight in the mirror. Where your eye pupil is starting, behind that you have to apply your contour, your bronzer, your blush and highlighter, everything. So this is the place. So 1, 2, 3, tap it. 1, 2, 3, tap, 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 tap. You don't have to do this circle or motion or anything. This is the easy way. Just 1, 2, 3. Just swirl your brush in the bronzer and just 1, 2, 3 like this. So this is easy and it looks very nice and beautiful. Again, keep your finger here above your contour. So guys, now you can see it has added a nice warmness to my face and it's looking very beautiful. So in summer you can do this bronzy looks. It looks beautiful, guys. And then here. Okay, so you have applied contour here and bronzer you have to apply here on the high points of your forehead. Little bit here near your nose. The highlighter. So whenever you're applying bronzer, guys, make sure you apply a little bit of golden highlighter. It looks very beautiful with the bronzer. So this is the place. So these are your cheekbones. Here you have to apply a little bit of highlighter. So I hope now you know what should be your exact placement for the bronzer. On the bridge of your nose. So guys, this is my final look and you can see that adding bronzer has actually made so much difference to this look, guys. And if you like this video, then please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends and family so even they benefit with these free videos. Now I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.